Okay, hello, and thank you for tuning in. This is the best resource for getting a real estate license in the state of California. We have the #1 exam prep database in existence, and our curriculum has been vetted by the nation's largest provider of real estate education in the country. And we are bringing it forward to you so that you can have the fastest and easiest learning experience and hopefully get any question that you have about real estate answered and pass your exam. So we are here, Realty School 101. I'm Jennifer Stowell, and we are helping you learn real estate and pass the state exam. I'm going to bring you over to my website so that you can learn a little bit more on how to navigate and self-enroll in our courses. And if you ever have any questions, you can always call toll-free 888-385-0087. Again, the number is 888-385-0087. That's our 24/7 student support. So you can call right now, and more than likely someone will be there to answer your call. And you just need to indicate whether or not you're a current student or a prospective enrollee. And we typically get back to you fairly quickly. So go ahead and pick up the phone and call now if you need additional support. Otherwise, keep listening and maybe we'll answer your questions and help you learn a little bit more about how to become a real estate agent in the state of California better than anything else you've ever read that's out there online. Go to realtyschool101.com. You can self-enroll, get immediate 24/7 access to our courses. They are self-paced delivery method. You can either do realtyschool101.com/California, and that will take you directly to our California page to get started. We have top rated courses with A+ student support. Our school has won a number of awards. Our instructors are also award-winning, top producing brokers, agents, recruiters, trainers, and our exam preparation comes from decades of feedback from our students and brokers and instructors who have taken the state exam, and we have a pretty good idea about what you're going to be asked on exam day. So #1, self-enroll in our course by visiting realtyschool101.com/California. If you need a promotion code for any of the courses and we don't have it listed directly on the website at the time that you are enrolling, all you have to do is call. Right now, we have a couple different promotional offers depending on each student's unique needs at this time. So we are asking that students just call and we will give you your promo code. If you don't need it, then you just go ahead and enroll in any of our package deals, or you can choose an individual course. Everyone needs at least 135 credit hours in order to qualify for the DRE state exam for a new sales license. And we provide that for you. The fastest that you can complete all of those courses is 54 days, which is 2.5 weeks per course. And I'm going to go into detail in just a moment about the structure of the course and the more important details that you're going to need to know. Anytime you can verify that we have our current approval status with the California Department of Real Estate by clicking verify, and it will take you to all of the providers databases by searching our name, or you can use our course provider number, which is indicated right here. And you can just put it in, make sure that we are still current. Let's go ahead and do that. Yep, there we are. Okay, perfect. So currently we offer real estate appraisal, legal aspects of real estate economics, real estate office administration, real estate finance, property management, real estate principles, and real estate practice. Everyone is going to take the real estate principles and practice courses. And then you get to choose from the other courses, which one will be your elective. As you can see, we offer these courses in a variety of package deal options with an instant savings applied. If you wanted to just try out one course at a time, you need to scroll down a little bit and just click on real estate practice or principles and just get started. Click enroll. It'll take you to the next screen to enter the promo code if we have one. You can try save 10% or save 20%. And if those are still working by the time you see this video, then great for you. We offer an engaging interactive format for all of the courses. The final exam is online, open book, open notes. You don't actually need to buy the physical textbooks in order to pass this course. You can if you wish. And if you want to know the most current edition, just reach out anytime, info@realtyschool101.com, or dial number 888-385-0087 and just ask us, and we will arrange for you to have those textbooks delivered directly to you if you want, but they are not necessary. They are completely reprinted within our courses. So our course format will have the exact replica of those textbooks within them. And you can see here, we feature the latest edition of the California Real Estate Practice. And you have 2.5 weeks per course minimum. That doesn't mean you have to finish it in 2.5 weeks. It just means it's the fastest that you can finish it. We have up to a year, according to our school policy, subject to any extension requests, which there may be a small fee that's applied. And then just go to enroll now. Pretty much anything that you sign up for from the California page is going to look similar. You're going to have a general information page that just reviews our school location, email address. You can always reach out to info@realtyschool101.com and ask any question, and our advisors are standing by to answer for you. And then we have a list of all of our course offerings. Again, each of those courses are 45 hours in length, and they include 15 quizzes. You have to take the quizzes in order to complete the course, and you get unlimited tries on those quizzes. The final exam is 100 multiple choice questions. It is open book, open note, and you get 2.5 hours to pass with a 60% or better. The course structure, it's a linear fashion where the learning management system that you log into anytime 24/7, and it'll keep track of where you left off. And this is just for the pre-licensed component of the courses. So you'll have 3 of them. And once you sign up, if you do all 3 at once, you will have them listed. There's a brief orientation in the beginning to teach you how to use the learning management tool that we go through. And at present, that is ProU.net. And then you will click on each of your courses and you will just begin reading. And once you complete the quizzes, you move on to the next unit. Ultimately, there is a final exam for each course that you are enrolled in, and you need at least a 60% or better to pass. This is usually done best in if you do it without a whole lot of time gaps in between. So keep to some schedule, make a calendar. There's not a formal attendance requirement here, so that allows you to complete this a lot faster than you would otherwise. But we do provide on-demand instructor resources for you, whether it's for just a quick review session of the courses or for exam prep reasons. As a study group, we could do that in a video, or we could just do it by phone, or you can just send us an email with your questions. What you're going to love the most about the course is the way our exam prep is set up. And it is called the Final Briefings Exam. And this tool will let you custom prepare your own exam questions. And with that, you will also have explained answers. And that's really going to be key for you to pass the state license exam. If you just need exam prep, and I returned to the website realtyschool101.com/California, we do have requirements, some basic ones that are listed towards the bottom of the page for pre-licensing. We list out the salesperson and also the broker requirements. And then we also have a link for you to find a live scan fingerprint center near you. All of that can be done once you finish your pre-license courses. And it is best to complete all of your courses and then submit your license application to the DRE. Okay, so exam prep, here we go. Final Briefings Exam Online. Our topics match the state exam categories that you will see exactly: the property ownership, walls of agency, valuation, market analysis, financing, transfer of property, practice and disclosures, and contracts. And these are custom interactive practice exams for sales people or brokers with instant grading and explain answers. And you can build your exams by category. So you will be able to customize the length from 5, 10, 25, 50, or 100 questions. You can do it randomly from all of the categories, or you can do it by one specific topic at a time, whichever you prefer. And the main thing to know about this is to pay attention to the explained answers to make sure you got the question correct for the correct reason instead of memorizing. And you'll know what I mean once you start getting underway, because it is tempting to memorize and speed through it, but you will be better off if you can also confirm for yourself that you had the right rationale for the answer choice that you chose. And if you didn't, then it's time to learn a little bit more about it. Go back to your notes or to your courses, or just write down the explained answer that appears from the final briefing exams. If you still have questions and it doesn't make sense to you, just email us, or you can call, especially if you have more than one question. For one question at a time, probably just email directly, info@realtyschool101.com, and we will get back to you in a reasonable period of time for your prep needs. If you have your exam date that's coming up very quickly, then let us know. If you call us and indicate that you are a current student, and that even if you're just enrolled in our final briefings exam online exam preparation, you're still a current student. And just let us know it's urgent. And that means you have your exam coming up within a week or two or a month. And we will make sure to have an instructor who is qualified to answer your specific question reach back out to you. Okay. So that is mostly what you would need to know with our courses. You can choose between any of the package options, or you can get started with just one course at a time. Currently, our price is $98 per course, and the packages vary, and you can just scroll through each one to see the price and the package deal with the instant savings applied. Our most popular package is the all 3 online course plus exam prep package deal for $259 right now. And the reason why is because it gives you everything you need. It's the minimum starter pack for getting your pre-license requirements fulfilled. And just click start, follow all of the action items, enroll now, read, scroll down, hit accept, add your elective course from the drop-down menu, click continue, review your order one last time. You can still add more courses if you wish. Hit continue. Put in your information, make sure all of the spelling of your first name, if you have a middle name, use the full one, however it is on your state issued ID or whichever ID that you're planning on taking to your test. Everything from this point forward, to make it easier and faster, keep it the same and make sure it's all spelled correctly. And then continue, and then it'll go forward to collect payment information, and then it'll take about 15 to 30 seconds usually to confirm your payment, and then you'll get an email that gives you your student PIN to access the course. And then once you have that student PIN, as a first time registration, you're going to do one thing different on that first login. You will be clicking on new student over here, start, enter your PIN that was provided in that email, and then you will create your password and then confirm it, and then a security question, and then you officially have your login. Make sure you save it. And if you're someone who moves from one device to the next, make sure you save it in a way that's accessible by all of your devices. Then when you return to the login, after you've done the new student setup, then all you would need to do is enter your student PIN here and your password and click login, and then it'll take you right back to where you left off. So that is all we're going to review for today. And please get in touch with us if you have any further questions about how to sign up for our course to become a licensed real estate agent in California.